In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are using a Samsung monitor and there's no sound coming out of it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your Samsung monitor supports sound. So for instance, if you have a Samsung gaming monitor, those don't have a built-in speakers. So if you are using a monitor that doesn't have built-in speakers, you won't be able to get any sound out of it. So make sure to check your model first. If you are certain that your Samsung monitor has speakers built in, you can use this button at the bottom of the monitor and then press it once. Now go to the top to open the monitor menu. Now here you will need to go to this system tab first and then check the current volume level. So make sure it's turned all the way up to 100. Next you need to scroll down and then find this option called input mode and then switch to a different input. You can try using HDMI 2.0 or HDMI 1.4 and see if that gets the sound to work. If that doesn't work, what you can do is go to the support tab. Now here select this reset all option and then reset all the settings on your Samsung monitor. This should hopefully fix any problems that may be causing this issue with the built-in speakers. Finally, if nothing else works, you should check the Windows sound settings. So first open the settings app, go to the system tab right here and then select sound. Now here you will need to make sure that your monitor is selected as the default output device. If you don't see your monitor here, scroll down and then click on this more sound settings option. Now in this window, you will need to find your monitor device and then right click on it and select enable. Once you have enabled the device, simply select the monitor again and select the set default option. Finally hit apply followed by OK and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.